Welcome back to the set, everybody. My name is CJ. Right over here, in case you didn't know, is my homeboy Nate.
Hey!
Right over there is my other homeboy Ethan.
Hey!
Really?
Hey!
Hey, I'll let it slide. So you guys can't feel it.
Hey!
Hey! Hey! But I can feel this weather. And you know what this weather means to us? Number one, it's a lot more fun to cook outside.
No mosquitoes?
No mosquitoes, no bugs. But number two, it's tailgating time.
Boom!
Tailgating season is upon us, so today I thought I would show you guys a delicious, delectable, delightful tailgating recipe. But before I do, be sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Here, if you decide to stick around for the next 2 minutes, you're gonna see that I'm gonna honor some of the new viewers, the new kids on the block, so to speak. Okay, we're not. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a tailgate pizza slider two-way, preparation two ways. It's the same ingredients. What should we call this?
Here we are again.
Here we are again, because I've made sliders before. I've made pizza stuff before. I haven't made these. These are just tailgate pizza sliders.
There we go.
Wow, it shouldn't have been that difficult. So let us ring it and bring it, my friends. And if you're new watching the show, grab a cup whenever the bell rings and take a sip and get ready for the ride.
The right stuff.
Ow! All right. So glad that you guys are with us. Like I said, let's start things off before we get cooking to honor those who've decided to let us know in the comments below that they are new viewers, new subscribers. First off, we've got fife drum.
Fife drum?
Like Five Goes West.
Oh, Barney Fife. Or Five Finger Death Punch.
This person says, hi CJ, I'm new to the Blackstone channel and this was among the first videos I watched, loved it, yada yada yada, awesome stuff. So glad that you are here.
Welcome.
American Tail Five Goes West. Moving on to, this is David Ross. Finally got my 36-inch griddle, found you guys on YouTube. CJ, your neighbor, I wish I had, I take it.
He's going Yoda.
A little Yoda-ish.
When 900 years old you reach, look as good you will not.
And then number 3 that we're gonna honor today is Rhonda Murphy. Absolutely love my Blackstone. Children bought it for her for Mother's Day.
Oh,
so
help
a
me,
few
Rhonda.
things. Number one, cheers to the
Rhonda.
mothers out there. Cheers to the new viewers and cheers to the new kids on the block. Oh!
The right stuff.
Today we're going to actually start on the thing that's going at the end, but we're doing it at the beginning because it's a
you know
preparation
Stephen
thing.
King.
It's kind of the garnish.
Stephen King, start at the end and work back. That's how he writes books.
Oh.
It's very, you know that.
I was unaware of that.
I was not aware of that.
So what we're gonna go ahead and do is put a saucepan on our, well, on this occasion, we've got a 28-inch with the side burners,
good looking
which is
unit.
awesome. But if you don't have the side burners, you can put this on your Blackstone directly. We're gonna throw a stick of unsalted butter in there because
why?
because we want.
P-A-R-T-Y?
Because I
I don't gotta, but we do want to control our salt
I'm so proud
content.
Yeah, you know,
First contact.
all that.
resistance is futile.
I notice. Have you noticed?
Where's your cutting board, dude?
Dude, where's my cutting board?
Where's your cutting board, dude?
I've got a new cutting board. Oh yes, my friends, Blackstone has come out with a new
Dude,
large
I am a fan.
cutting board. And this can
I'm a
be
fan.
done, used on your griddle top, but today we're gonna be
Boom.
using it. See, like you just,
Oh yeah, show me the legs. Legs for days.
okay. You had plenty money, 19.
No, I was going Joe Dirt.
Her legs went on for days.
Well, I was going Roger Rabbit,
Oh.
because Jessica Rabbit.
You had plenty money.
Wait, got some garlic. This is a quick step that we're gonna be doing for the beginning of this. You could chop this up if you want, but I'm essentially gonna just be smashing this
Boom.
to release. Whoa, I really,
Take it easy.
I got aggressive with that. To release the oils and the flavor inside of this garlic. So, Ethan, how many of these do you want me to do?
However many you want to do.
That's a great answer.
We all know you're not gonna use my answer anyways.
Just tell me, am I done?
Sure.
Nope, one more. All right, I'm gonna get this and throw this in the
garlic.
saucepan.
Oh, garlic butter for...
Yes.
I got an idea.
What's your idea?
It's a good one.
My idea is a good one.
Hang on. Hang on. Don't go anywhere. Hang on. I've got some fresh herbs.
You're dealing with some very unstable herbs. Wow. It's taking a lot longer.
Fresh rosemary.
Oh, there we go.
I had it on my
That's
set.
not rosemary.
Oregano. Who's the goose?
10 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna just set that. Hey, wait, stay right there because I'm also, gonna add a little essential blend.
What the?
Which is actually a salt and pepper and garlic blend. But we're not done there. We're gonna add some Tutto Italiano. This is a really, basically just a fun blend of Italian seasonings. Now that we've got all those special herbs, we're gonna set that there. Ethan, be listening. That's on you. Don't let me mess that
for
up.
what?
In case it starts to burn and boil and bubble.
It's on you, Ethan.
Double toil and trouble. I've got some mild Italian sausage.
Heck
Boys,
yes.
keep it simple.
Keep it safe.
Go ahead and give your Italian sausage a quick chop. Get that into the smaller bites that you need because you don't want giant chunks of sausage. You need little bites of sausage inside of our little sliders, if you will. Okie dokie, artichoke. While we have that cruising, why not let's just do this. This is not necessarily something you have to do, but I want to crisp up my pepperonis before they go into the sliders. Now, I actually learned this little technique from our very own Blackstone Betty. She takes extra steps to make everything delicious and tasty.
They're coming for you.
Oh, it's Betty. Okay, Betty has left the territory. She's parachuting down as we speak. Now, as you'll notice, guys, this is a very, very quick process. This does not take long to crisp these up. And again,
they're
they're already cooked. You don't have to do this, but for me, it's a texture thing. So we're gonna get a really good texture. Betty, tell me, because I'm pretty sure I know already, but do you approve of this process?
You're darn right I do. Now that's how you zhuzh up that pepperoni, CJ. Looking good.
All right, Betty obviously approved. I gave these a quick flip because, guys, those do cook really fast. Well, right before I pull these off, I'm gonna go ahead and get my sausage another quick chop here. And then we will be ready to work on our bread. Okay, so for these... I got. Do you know him?
Does he call you at home?
Do you have a pepperoni? What?
What?
Oh no. Let's move these off. Because these have had time to crisp up and get that really gorgeous texture. Again, not necessary, but
those went
something...
full McFly.
They what?
They went full McFly. Crispin. This is a stretch.
That was a big, big stretch.
Thank you.
I'll allow it, but you know, whatever. So, all right, so while that's cruising, let's get to our bread. Now today, we are using this awesome, massive bag of King's Hawaiian rolls. Now this is the savory butter rolls. They also have like the sweet Hawaiian rolls, which are
good.
Delicious.
They're just sweet enough. I didn't mean for that.
Yes, you kind of did.
Okay.
Now I thought I'd go ahead and break this up into 2 sections.
Ooh.
That way it's a little more manageable.
Ooh. Okay.
We got this. I've got this on point. Yeah, I'm a pro. I wouldn't say
He's good at handling buns.
Now this is probably the most difficult part here. Is you want to just have your
Can
buns.
I shoot this way just to see how straight?
My cut is.
Yeah, down a little. Go a little down.
Dude, I've got it. These. How am I looking over there?
Looking pretty good.
Okay. This is a teamwork.
Yeah, you're looking great.
All right. All right.
Okay.
Are you serious or
I'm
no?
I'm serious.
Oh.
And impressed. That was really good.
Surprise.
I didn't doubt it.
You definitely doubted it.
I didn't doubt.
And who didn't believe I could do it?
Lower?
Well, yeah, there you go. Higher.
Okay. Shut up, really?
Yeah, you're adjusting too much.
Where am I now?
Pull up! Goose!
Oh no!
My next part of this delightful recipe is crisping up these awesome savory Hawaiian buns. Now, put these toasted inside down first. I want to get that crispy interior so we can start
Could
building
you do
on there.
it like old school diner style and do it like flat side up when you build later?
Wait, so the outside
And
is the
inside
inside
out.
and the inside is the outside?
You nailed it.
Yes, I can. So let's go ahead. Actually, that's a really fun idea. We'll do one of each, and that way we can kind of see what looks the best. So let's go ahead and do that idea. We're gonna put the outside toasted first,
And the inside.
and the insides
Crisscross will
Yes.
make you wanna.
jump. Moving on.
Crisscross will make you.
So I normally would put pizza sauce down first, but I think I'm gonna do cheese first,
Ooh, okay.
so that it protects
Glue.
the integrity of the bun and the crispiness. Then we're gonna do a little bit of sauce on top of that. Oh, by the way, the cheese that we're using today is some sliced mozzarella. Really use whatever cheese that you want, but mozzarella is the way to go. So I've got some pizza sauce that's on top of that. Gonna add some Italian sausage, then some pepperonis.
They look awesome.
Then we're gonna do another layer of cheese and then top that off on both sides.
These are gonna be gooey goodness.
That's right, but of course, I feel like we should do a little bit of seasoning on the inside. So add a little bit of tutto Italiano, and I want some heat. So I'm gonna add a doubled amount of crushed red pepper. Give this time to toast on all sides. When that is crispy and toasty, it's gonna all be ready to go. And my friends, that's
how you
what's
do it.
up. But here's the next big deal.
Uh-oh.
You gotta press one of these.
Oh, see?
Bango, bango, bongo.
Hey, Coco Bongo.
Frappe.
Put it in a blender and hit frappe.
Come on, gooey.
Mother of God.
Goo.
Mother of God.
Wow.
Dude.
Look at these little beauties.
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
A cheese pull.
Whoa.
Cheese pull.
Hang tough. Hang tight.
And slider number 2.
Come on.
Okay, so these are pretty much, this is ready to go. One last thing that we're gonna do. 2 last things that we're gonna do. Sorry.
Oh, the butter.
Nair, I say. But first,
Whoa, what?
I'm just gonna give us a little bit of,
For a dipper.
a little bit of a dipper because I do like some extra marinara. But now, all right, let's start right here, boys.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
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 Ethan, do you approve of this?
I approve of this.
All
Well,
right.
who's asking you?
Hey, nobody cares. Nobody cares.
Dang, dude.
This is what's up.
It just got a little messy, but it got way more delicious.
Yeah, here's the bottom line. At any tailgate, whether you're the queen, the king, perhaps even the prince, you'll be the star of the show.
Speaking of Prince, hey CJ, did you know that Prince's movie Purple Rain was originally titled Dreams?
Just dreams.
No, but that's not a very cool quote. You got any more?
Yeah. Well, did you know that there was a sequel to Purple Rain?
Oh no.
Yeah, it came out in
Nightmares.
1990. It's called Graffiti Bridge, and it's apparently pretty bad.
I've never even heard.
I've never
such
even
a
heard of
thing.
it. Honestly, I don't even care about that fact. Do you have anything else?
Oh, yes. He has his own shade of purple.
No.
Yeah, Pantone, when he died, because he died.
Man.
Yes, I do know.
Well, in celebration of him dying,
Okay.
Pantone
Yeah, that's fine. That's
released a purple color that was the same color as his piano. And it's only Pantone, though, so you can't get it anywhere else.
fine. Wow. What's it called?
Well, it's...
Kiss. Yeah, okay. I'll ring it. There were some lame ones in there, but then there were some good ones. You redeemed yourself. Look, I don't need to just go on too long about this. These look incredible. Ethan,
Well,
I know
good
you're
catch.
freaking excited, right?
Good catch.
Yeah, well, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Let's
Wow.
go. Let's go for it. All right,
Oh.
I'm gonna get into
It's
this
like
one.
a grilled cheese. It looks and sounds good.
Oh,
Definitely cut them for your guests.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Dang.
Oh, that's
So-
why I got a little extra crispy right
That's a little
there.
guilty pleasure.
Guys, leave it in the comments down below. Would you try this one? Are you a tailgater? Either way, speaking of comments, my friends, it is officially that time
You
for
made it.
CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Hey guys, welcome to this segment of the show. If this is your first time joining us here, this is essentially where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers. My
right.
goodness, friends, if you write it,
We read it.
and then we get to have a lot of fun with it. Sometimes it's mean, sometimes it's nice, sometimes
Most of
it's
the
in the
time
middle.
It's mean. Let's be honest.
Okay,
There
it's
was
true.
a season where it was just all sweet, happy vibes.
Not
But
so much.
recently,
Not so much anymore.
some haters.
But this is a good one. I felt it appropriate to start off with this one.
Good one?
It's on your show.
Hit me. Oh.
All right, this one comes from It's Bruno Bro.
Hey, Bruno.
You don't talk about Bruno.
We don't talk about Bruno.
It's not the wrong show if you let it happen. Make it your show, Nate. Stop being so soft. What are you afraid of? You don't have to go all ring it and bring it, but an occasional movie quote is good for everyone. Not the wrong show if you embrace the CJ-ness that we all love. Love you guys. Don't be scared, Nate. I believe in you. There you are, Peter.
There you are, Peter.
We will talk about Bruno, and we will ring it and bring it.
All right, Bruno.
Ah, I love it.
Glad you like the show.
Okay, this next one comes in from Only Chevys.
Only Chevys, okay.
Only Chevy
Only
says...
Chevy Chase.
Maybe. He says, or she says, how much do you pay Blackstone to post these cooking videos?
Oh, is there an in there?
There's an
Is that on my show?
This is on my show.
Oh, well, obviously.
Yeah.
A lot. They pay him
There's a little bit of hate. Mr. Chevy.
I don't know. Does that get
Chevy
it?
to the levee. But my friend, your levee is dry.
Oh.
This'll be the day that I die.
Okay, this next one comes in from Mary...
J. Blige. Obviously.
Yes, Mary Emmert. This is sweet. Mary says, still watching you guys. I love the film references and the fun that you guys have. I wish I could afford a griddle, but I still love the food you guys make. Now I even have my kids watching too. Would love a ring. Keep up the fun and making awesome food. Mary, we are ringing.
For you.
We are ringing in your honor.
Heck to the yeah.
Mary, quite contrary to the contrary.
That rhymed. Unintentional.
Douglas Downing says, hey, I just watched your take.
Wait, Douglas Downing Jr.?
You're on a roll today, guy.
I'm the best.
Around. Just watched your take on the Baconator. I turned to my wife and I said, I'm making those in the morning. Her replied, you want another heart attack? In which I replied, that's a baker's dozen there, Bob.
Baker dozen there, Bob.
Honestly, it would be an honor to die from one of your recipes. Keep up the great content, CJ.
Wow.
Douglas, I hope you don't die.
But you might after eating CJ's recipes.
And if you do, at least you get to go to heaven with a nice, full stomach.
Viking's funeral.
Oh, what a day! What a lovely day!
Okay, this is a cool one. This comes in from Sean Handling. Sean says, after months of watching you, Nate, Todd, and Betty, my wife and I finally got our Blackstone 36-inch air fryer combo,
yeah.
and I've cooked
right.
nearly every dinner on it during the first week. It's one of the best things I purchased, and your videos to help me decide what to get. Keep those cooks coming and keep ringing that bell. Sean, that was we get some nice comments here from time to time. Not all the time, but yeah, from time to time. Okay, this last one comes in from Dan Lubitz. Or Lubitz. Yeah,
Love it.
Dan. Yeah. Dan says, you are the new Griddle Yoda.
You do look a little like
Griddle Yoda, you are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I what?
Yeah, short and moly.
Moly?
Big ears.
Moly.
Pretty sure you said you look like Yoda.
He didn't. He said my food was awesome, like those little taquitos that they found in Empire Strikes Back when Skywalker goes over there and hangs out with them. And
They found taquitos?
that's what looked like taquitos.
It did kind of look like taquitos.
Hey, it's my dinner.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Seriously appreciate everybody for the awesome comments and the views and the hangouts
even the
and the
not so
fun.
awesome comments.
I actually really love the not so nice
so
ones. They're
funny.
great. If you're a new subscriber, a new viewer, definitely let me know in the comments. Guaranteed you will be making the new kids on the block or the ringing in the new crew or whatever we
we'll find
decide
a
to
name.
call it.
Yeah.
If you have a good name for that as well, leave it in the comments. Just might make it. Just saying.
Just saying.
Also, if you guys want to put something up on the board over here, be sure to let me know. I will send you an address where you can mail that. Also, it's a party with Nate and CJ. Nah, dude.
Hey.
Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and a ton of others. Also go to griddlenation.com where you can get some really cool swag. You and I are matching today. Did you know that?
What?
Yeah. I just realized that right now.
Trying to copy me every way.
Super uncool. But I guess that's it, guys.
That's it.
These ones are...
What? I didn't even hear him. He ate almost the whole side of that.
I had one.